All right, so here's how we do an EdPuzzle video in my class. I probably should have done this earlier because we've already done several EdPuzzle videos, but better late than never. So to get to your work, right, you go to your class period. So for second period, you go to second period. Click Distance Learning with Mr. Fino to get to the schedule and weekly assignments. All right, so for example, if it's Wednesday, September 23rd, and you're watching the 2.2 Early Human Migration video lecture, you click there. It will take you to EdPuzzle. You might need to log in through SLUSD email and password because this is connected through Google Classroom. But when you get on, it will look something like, say your second period, something like this. So to watch the video, you just click it. All right, and then watch through it. So I'm gonna just show you how this works. Hello class, this is 2.2 Early Human Migration. This section has two main ideas that you'll need to remember, and those are, number one, people moved out of Africa as the Earth's climate changed, which just means as it began to warm up, they moved north out of Africa. All right, so there it stops and asks us, did early people move north or south out of Africa? Well, if you were just listening, I immediately just said it. It's north. So you select north, submit. It tells you got it right by showing you it's green. You continue. And two, people adapted to new environments by making clothing and new types of tools. So if they were in a cold area, they obviously would need clothing that would keep them warm. They need a shelter that was better suited to the cold. And depending where they live, they would have new types of tools as well. All right, so there are actually, I think, 4 terms in this section, but these are the kind of the big ones. So the first term, migrate, just means to move. And in the case of this section, so you can pause, but you cannot, it will not let you skip, okay? I think you can go back, but it will not let you skip. You have to watch it all the way through. So we're talking about early hominids moving and early people moving from place to place. Ice ages are long periods of freezing weather. We haven't seen this, in our lifetimes, but thousands of years ago, there would be long periods of weather that was icy and cold, and it would span much of the globe. And land bridge is a strip of land connecting two continents. And in this case, and in this picture, we see that there was at one point a land bridge connecting Asia to North America. So the land bridge that was important to early human migration was between Asia and, again, if you're listening, I literally just said between Asia and North America. So I'm going to select North America, submit it. Green means it's good, and you continue. All right. You need to watch it all the way through to the end, answer all the questions, and that will give you your full credit. All right. I just wanted to show you how to do these on EdPuzzle, but I can see where you are. If you've stopped in the middle, I can see all of that. So if you want your full credit, watch it all the way through, answer all the questions. Okay. And again, if you're paying attention, the questions should not be super complicated.